is just up. There. And there. Okay, you're ready to go. Now take a good look first before you pull the trigger. Your right eye. Think you have it?
Do you want to go back with the shoulder?
Are you shooting the lower right or the lower left?
Left.
The left?
Oh, should I shoot the right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was going to say you're pointing at the lower right or the left. Okay,
Okay.
There you go. Lower right. Yeah, that's better. Anytime you're ready. Okay. Let's see where you shot.
That's good.